Episode 9, Nhon to Mang. We drove in the forest today. There was a lot of switchbacks, and we saw a bunch of rice paddy fields. Alright, today is day 8, and it is Tuesday, the 28th. We're going to the mountains. I have double protection, yo. I got this, and I got a face mask underneath. Come at me, pollution. This is all like strapped up. Let's go. Okay, we're leaving. Where's this place called again? Nhon. Going to Mang right now. Fill up of the day. Another 50,000 in the tank. Water. Thank you, my water source. So we are giving it a try. We just asked them to make us something good. Our truck back there just spilled some millets, and it's all over the ground here. Look at this. Gotta be really careful with these things because they might be slippery. Yeah. I'm passing through a construction area now. People selling zongzi here on the side of the road. There's rice. These are mochi wrapped in coconut filling. It's good. I like it. We got 4 of these for 10. Today's route is not good. Lots of construction, lots of these big trucks, and it's so dusty. Hopefully we get on a small street soon. Oh, this is kind of dangerous because this side is getting road worked on, so we have to go on this one side street. So probably like rock slide area here. There's people working on this side of the mountain right now. Wow. Oh, my throat is already not good, and now the dust from this trucks and construction is just getting worse and worse. Oh, it's so dusty. I don't know when this road is gonna end. Hey, better stop. Okay, I think we're out, hopefully. And good timing too, because my gas is about to run out. This gas tank is not like accurate, because it only filled up 40, but it's showing it's empty. Oh well. Better safe than sorry. Okay, more cows. Hello, cow. Wow. Wow, look at these big windmills. We're surrounded by them. What a huge juxtaposition of like a tiny village and these high-tech windmills. Babe, you know that word? Juxtaposition. Hello. We got to this place for our break and food. Oh, good. I like it. Okay. There we go. Rest time.
We had
Okie dokie, we just finished the chicken, that was great. Now we're going to Mang, about another 2 hours ride. The trip hop moves wrap around my very being. For place rhymes the soundtrack to what I'm seeing. Abstract thoughts flow through these astral dimensions. I paint pictures with words, unveiling my intentions. So on this side of the mountain, lots of hairpin turns like this. Oh, lots of switchbacks. So we're out here. This road is used to be an airport strip. Look how wide it is. They just paved it over, so now you can drive on it. Pretty cool. Whoa! We're standing up now because my butt hurts and Shiro's giving me a butt massage. Oh yeah. Thank you, Shiro. Road never ends. We've been on this road for like an hour. You don't really see any cars, but it's just one pin after another. Very tiring. Our butts hurt. Okay, we're about to enter into the town of Mang.
Huh?
Rooftop and coffee?
Homestay and coffee.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Okay. It's okay, this stuff happens all the time.
Yeah.
Here it is, Mangdanland Homestay and Coffee. This is the backyard garden. The real first view. Ooh, very nice. And look at this. Ooh, good shower. Cool, cool, cool. Here's the view of the terrace from upstairs. And we're hanging up our clothes. Wow, look at this poor beetle. Look at this big beetle. We saved him with this cart because he was. We got the bak chong nu, which is grilled spring rolls, happening here. And we got some medicine from this pharmacy. Here we go. This is bao chong nong. How is it? Yo, give me some. So lame. Go with the point number one. If you're saying our rooftop is better than this, this is pretty good. Okay, okay. So we got this thing, Uchu, and it looks like this. Yes, there's always a soup. Whatever this is. Dish is called Thai bak, cauldron ears.
Go.
The main street, but it's so dead today. I don't know, like, I feel like this is a big tourist town, but maybe we're in the dead season right now. All these cactus. Crazy. It's 3 nam 99. So it's 3 nam 3 nam is per 3 per 99. 好便宜. Huge ginger inside this souvenir shop. Wow.